yeah, we know how to win. We know how to win, we only know how to win. And we making sure that this moment is it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We putting up numbers, we getting it in. We know how to win. We know how to win. We know how to win. Came from that bottom, been knocked down, but I got up. I learned to come out of my pain and profit off of my problems. So I ain't never had nada till I got out of my own way. I never flex it, they know I got it because I move at my own pace. We used to leave out of enterprise, now we got keys, expensive rides. We done survived a place so all of the people expect to die. They thinking the grass is greener so they get sprayed like pesticides. But I never change demeanor unless all the paper get jeopardized. Cause I do good under pressure, I don't be doing the extra. I get insulted by all that they offers, they ain't even good as a gesture. Yeah, I say what it is and that's why you gonna respect us. Yeah, we playing to win and that's why we put in the effort. We know how to win. Yeah, yeah, we know how to win.
Ano to answered prayer ko. Kasi before him, I lost a child. So sabi ko kay God, one more time, bigyan pa ako ng chance maging mommy. Kasi yung dalawa malalaki na that time. So, I was approaching 30 na. So sabi ko, kahit isa pa, Lord, huwag mo nang kuhanin sa akin. But always remember na I'm always here for you. And lahat ng bagay na gusto mo at kakayanin mo, susuportahan ka ni Mommy. Basta makakapagpasaya sa'yo at magiging mabuting tao ka.
Kung hindi nyo po alam, malaking part po ng campaign ko ang aking anak dahil siya po yung nag-e-edit ng mga videos ko. Lahat ng pinapost ko sa social media, kahit nag-aaway po kami, ayan, madaling araw na po siyang natutulog. Thank you anak dahil nanalo si Papa dahil isa ka sa nagpanalo kay Papa.
You are blessed. You are blessed kasi since birth talaga love na love ka ng parents mo. Sana isa kami sa mga unang makakilala ng future girlfriend mo.
Anong punong araw ako, napakagaling kumanta.
Happy 9 years of friendship and Irvin, happy birthday.
Try to take care of yourself first before taking care of others. Sana hindi ka mawala ng fire in doing what you love.
Nag-effort talaga kami ni Mami. Bonggang-bongga para sa birthday mo. Simula nung dumating ka, ikaw yung lagi kong hinahanap. Ikaw yung lagi kong motivation. Basta lagi mong tandaan na nandito si ate. Hindi man physically, pero emotionally and spiritually, lagi akong nasa tabi mo.
Lagi mo lang alalahanin na nandito lang si Kuya para supportahan ka sa lahat ng gusto mo, para i-guide ka. Alam ko minsan may pagkasuplado si Kuya, pero alam mo naman, malakas ka sa akin.
Everyday blessing namin na magkakasama tayo and for that na pagmamahal mo sa aming family, doon pa lang thank you. Napakaswerte na magiging girlfriend mo kasi lahat ng katangian na sa'yo na.
I love you so much, anak, and thank you for making our life very happy.
Mas strong siya sa akin. So, anak, thank you so much for being my anchor, and I love you kasama ng mga kapatid mo.